Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. I'm out here on the production floor and I'm standing alongside one of our weld booths. So here at WireCrafters, we take our sheet metal panels and we make an enclosure around our weld cells. So this is a 16 gauge sheet metal and we weld it in just like we would the wire mesh. So it welds inside the angle frame and then it bolts up to our 2-inch square post. We sell a lot of these panels to companies that secure welding areas. So it might be something we can help you with. So if you've got a need for a solid partition, something you can't see through, and you've got a solid sheet metal, we can take care of that. So that's what we got this week. We'll see you on another episode of Mondays with Milt.